How to stop Facebook from sharing stories to Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Facebook from automatically sharing stories to Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, just tap on account center. And now here inside account center, you simply have to scroll down and tap on connected experiences. And now here on the next section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on this option labeled as sharing across profiles. And now here you'll see multiple accounts that are connected with your Facebook account. Now here you can simply select the Instagram account where the Facebook shares the story automatically to. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as your Instagram story. So here, just beside that option, you simply have to toggle off the settings off. And once turned off, your Facebook stories will no longer be automatically shared to your Instagram account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.